Don't ignore excessive dorsiflexion of the fetlock. It poses a serious issue. Curiously, from training level to Grand Prix, many riders and trainers are unaware of and even concerned by excessive dorsiflexion of the fetlock. The damages range from arthritis to navicular syndrome. I even saw a case of knee dysfunction that was resolved by correcting excessive dorsiflexion of the fetlock. The problem can be slightly improved by corrective shoeing, but not corrected. I corrected it several times by recreating proper management of the hind legs thrust forward through the thoracic spine. In short, proper training. There are morphological defects that can cause excessive dorsiflexion of the fetlock. For instance, straight stifle and hocks of the hind legs. At the level of the forelegs, it is more often the result of excessive loading and improper kinematics. At impact, the fetlock translates downward. This is called dorsiflexion. The fetlock translates upward at about mid-stride, propelling the horse's body forward. This is called palmar flexion. Considerable forces are acting on the lower legs during the stance, particularly on the forelegs, and the proper synchronization between downward and upward translations of the fetlocks is necessary for soundness. The picture shows the excessive dorsiflexion of a horse's fetlock and the proper dorsiflexion created in about 8 months of proper training. The muscular system of the thoracic area was re-educated and capable of efficiently managing the hind legs thrust forward through the thoracic. John Luc Cornille. To learn more, visit scienceofmotion.com.